Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper box like this using a single piece of paper, no glue and no scissors. To make this box you can start with an A4 sheet, but any rectangular piece of paper should work. Starting with the colored side facing up, the first step is to fold it in half horizontally. Once done, we can unfold it, fold in half vertically, then keeping the paper folded, rotate it in this position, leaving the open part down. Now we need to fold these two diagonals. To do this, bring half of the top side to the middle, like this. Then do the same with the other side. Unfold this. And also unfold the back of the paper, bringing it up. Now we have these marks in the middle. For the next step we need to close both sides using the two bottom diagonals. Then we can lower and flatten the top layer. As next step, on the front flaps, we can fold both sides to the middle. So let's start by bringing the right side, like this. Then repeat the same with the left. Turn it over. And repeat the same with the other two sides. With that done, let's fold the top corner. Reinforce it very well. And unfold. Now fold the bottom part of the paper, the part with a different color. Fold this part again, locking this part of the paper. Turn it over. Repeat the same with the other side. As the last step, just open the paper. Also open it at the base, making the box square. Reinforce and adjust if needed. With that, we have a paper box that takes only a few minutes to make and can be very useful. Now that you understand the logic, you can use other types of paper, you can change the sizes, the idea is the same. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time!